Welcome back to another Pine hosting tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to assign or revoke plugin permissions on your Oxide Rust server. It is important to note that some plugins do not require you to assign permissions in order to use them. This guide is only for plugins that need permissions assigned in order to work. To assign these permissions, you need a command, of course. For Oxide users, the command is oxide.grant or o.grant for short. Both work. If you wish to revoke permissions, the command changes to oxide.revoke or o.revoke for short. Some plugins are free and some are not. For this tutorial, we will use a free simple plugin like QuickSmelt. To find the permissions of any plugin, you will need to visit the official plugin page of that plugin. If you're using a free plugin like QuickSmelt, you can find those pages by clicking on this arrow button here in your plugins tab, which will redirect you to the official page. For paid plugins, you will need to visit the plugins page from the website you purchased it from. Once you're there, scroll down until you find the permissions section. In our case, the permission needed so that players on your server can use this plugin is this one, quicksmelt.use. You can click on the permission name to copy it to your clipboard like that, and once you copied it, head back over to your game panel. So we previously explained which are the base commands for granting permissions, but you still need to specify if you want to grant those permissions to yourself, to a group of players, or to the admin group. If you wish to grant permissions to yourself, you will need to enter the following command: o.grant user Steam ID 64. And of course, we're gonna be pasting the permission name we copied earlier, just like that. Make sure here to change the Steam ID 64 to your actual Steam ID, which can be found in the URL of your Steam account profile page. But if you're like me and you have a custom Steam ID, what you can do is simply copy the URL here and then paste it into your browser, and at the end add $XML equals 1 and then click enter, and then you will find your Steam ID. It will be right here, so feel free to copy that and then head back over to your panel and replace the Steam ID 64 with your actual Steam ID. Make sure that the spacing and lettering is all exactly like this and then hit enter. As you can see from our console, now this player has been granted the permission quicksmelt.use. If this doesn't go through, make sure that the spacing and wording is the exact same, as it really matters for it to work. Now, to revoke yourself the permission, you would have to do the same exact command again, but instead of o.grant, now you will replace this with revoke. So it will be o.revoke user Steam ID and the permission you applied earlier. Click send. And as you can see now in our console, it says that this player has been revoked the permission quicksmelt.use. The console will always confirm if the permission has been revoked or not, so pay close attention. Next is granting permissions to entire groups. To grant a permission, you will need to enter o.grant group, followed by the group name, and then the permission you want to assign. Here we will need to change the group name based on which group we want to assign this permission to. Your Rust server will have by default 2 groups created that you can instantly assign permissions to: the default group, which players get automatically assigned to when they join your server, and the admin group. Feel free to change it to whatever group you wish to assign this permission to. In our case, we will just assign it to the default group, since we want all players on the server to have access to use this plugin. And now if you send it by clicking enter, you will see now that the group default has been granted the permission quicksmelt.use. If you wish to assign the permission to the admin group instead, all you need to do is just change this from default to admin, just like that, and of course hit enter. The admin group is basically what includes all players who have owner access on your server. To give owner access to a player or yourself and have them automatically be assigned into the admin group, enter the command owner ID followed by their Steam ID, just like that. And now this player has been added to the admin group and is owner of the server. If you wish to revoke access to a plugin for an entire group, simply change the command from o.grant to o.revoke, just like that. And of course, you keep everything as you previously used to assign the permission for this group to actually revoke it, and hit enter. Now the group admin has been revoked the permission quicksmelt.use. And of course, the same thing will apply if you were to do this for the default group. So default Here, group default revoked permission quicksmelt.use. It's also very important to note that you do not need to restart your server in order for these permissions or the plugins to work. It should instantly apply on your server. If you're already connected on your server when applying those permissions or when giving yourself owner, try rejoining if you notice that the plugin doesn't work, and pay close attention to your console when assigning them to see if they're actually being executed. And that's it. If you need any further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always happy to help.